So in this video, you'll learn how to add or remove widget labels on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So if you want to add labels to widgets, then all you need to do is simply open Settings, then scroll and select Home Screen. And under Home Screen, you should see the option Widget Labels. If you don't see it, this is because App Labels has been turned off. So all you need to do is just turn it on and then Widget Labels will appear. So in order for you to add widget labels, just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on. And now, when you navigate back to the home screen, you can see all the widgets have labels underneath showing what type of widget it is. So you have the steps widget and you have the weather widget. If you want to remove those labels, then all you need to do is either just turn off widget labels by tapping on the toggle, or you can just disable the app labels and this will still turn them off. So it's completely up to you to decide which option you'll prefer to use. Once you've done that, you can close the Settings app and the changes will be applied onto your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.